Hi, I'm Jan, and I'm an entrepreneur, and I've had the honor of working with both Daniel and Sandra as a private client for over a year. And they encouraged me to come to this Activate Enlightenment course so that I could be with a group of incredibly enlightened beings where we could open ourselves up to the blocks that we really don't realize are holding us from our highest way of being. And I have to tell you, what I have experienced is absolutely incredible. You know, we're so often blindsided by what's keeping us from what it is that we're here to be doing. And both Daniel and Sandra have this amazing gift of being able to move right to the heart of what's keeping us from not being in a constant state of joy and bliss and love and peace and trust. And so in working with them for 3 days, you start moving into these greater ways of being. And I have to tell you, when it comes time for them to lay their hands on you and do the activations, you can feel the energy seeping down from your brain into your body. I felt it down my spinal cord. You are absolutely transported to another place. And then you just feel whatever that transmission is, again, whether it's love, peace, any one of them, trust, mindfulness, unity, it becomes a part of who you are, and that is the gift that you take home from this weekend.